The Adventure of Tom and Anna. So, once upon a time, in this little village surrounded by rolling hills and thick forests, there were these best friends named Tom and Anna. They were always together, always on the lookout for new adventures, always curious about everything around them. They spent their days laughing, exploring, and just having a blast. One sunny morning, with the air smelling like blooming flowers, Tom and Anna decided to head out to the old forest just outside their village. Rumor had it this forest was packed with ancient secrets and hidden treasures, and they couldn't resist checking it out. "Tom, do you think we'll find anything cool today?" Anna asked, her eyes twinkling with excitement and a bit of mischief. "Absolutely, Anna. Every adventure's got something new," Tom said with a big grin. As they walked deeper into the forest, nature's symphony welcomed them. Birds chirped from the treetops, and leaves rustled softly in the breeze. The forest was alive with color, and sunlight filtered through the trees, making everything look kind of magical. Suddenly, they found this narrow, overgrown path they hadn't seen before. "Should we take it?" Tom asked, his voice full of excitement. Anna nodded, curiosity written all over her face. "Yeah, let's see where it goes." The path was twisty and mysterious, lined with thick bushes and wildflowers. They had to step carefully over tree roots and make their way through the underbrush. Each step took them deeper into the heart of the forest, closer to whatever secrets it held. After wandering for what felt like hours, they came to a clearing with a small, sparkling pond in the middle. The water was so clear they could see the colorful pebbles at the bottom, and it shimmered in the sunlight like a bed of diamonds. "This place is amazing," Anna said, her voice filled with awe. "I've never seen anything like it." Tom nodded, just as amazed. "It's like we've found a hidden paradise." They sat down by the pond to rest and take in the beauty around them. As they sat there, they noticed something shiny under the water, catching the sunlight. "What's that?" Tom wondered out loud. Anna leaned closer and gasped. "It looks like a key." Tom reached into the pond and pulled out an old, ornate key, covered in intricate carvings. "I wonder what this unlocks," he said, turning it over in his hands. Just then, they heard a gentle voice behind them. "That key belongs to the enchanted cottage," said an elderly woman who seemed to appear out of nowhere, her eyes twinkling with wisdom. Tom and Anna turned around, startled. "Who are you?" Anna asked, her voice a little shaky. "I am the guardian of the forest," the woman replied with a warm smile. "That key will lead you to the enchanted cottage where many secrets are hidden, but be warned, it's not an easy journey." Tom and Anna exchanged excited glances. "We're ready for the adventure," Tom said confidently. The guardian smiled approvingly. "Very well. Follow the path of the golden leaves and you will find the cottage." With their hearts pounding in anticipation, Tom and Anna set off on the new path, following the golden leaves that sparkled in the sunlight. The path was tough, taking them through thick bushes, across bubbling brooks, and up steep hills, but they kept going, driven by curiosity. After what felt like forever, they finally reached the enchanted cottage. It was a quaint little house covered in ivy, with flowers blooming everywhere and a warm, inviting glow coming from the windows. The door was old and heavy, with a keyhole that matched their key perfectly. Tom inserted the key into the lock and turned it. With a creak, the door opened, revealing a cozy interior filled with books, maps, and strange artifacts. The air smelled of old parchment and mystery. "Wow, this place is incredible," Anna whispered, awestruck. As they explored the cottage, they found a journal from the previous owner. It was filled with stories of adventures, hidden treasures, and ancient spells. They spent hours reading and learning about the magical world beyond their village, their minds buzzing with excitement. From that day on, Tom and Anna visited the enchanted cottage whenever they could. They learned new things, went on exciting quests, and discovered the true magic of friendship and knowledge. Their adventures continued, bringing joy and wonder into their lives, and their bond grew stronger. And so, their story went on, a tale of courage, curiosity, and endless discovery, inspiring others to embark on their own adventures and find the magic in the world and within themselves.